Okay, so I'm making a random video because I'm bored and stuff, so whatever. These little things are turning out to be my favorite pieces of jewelry. These are, I consider these my beach island pieces. Here's how I would see it. This coil here is like clams in the rocks. The clams in the rocks. These are cool. They make noise. This one here, this one, is like the pearls that you would find in them. This one, these are like the bubbles that are coming up from the ocean floor. And this one is like the driftwood you find on the beach. Oh. So, yeah, anyway, there you go.